Iron Talk is brought to you by Case IH.
What are farmers doing to feed the planet? They're using Quadtrek technology, soil management, and planting systems from Case IH to foster a better growing environment that maximizes yield potential. Visit caseih.com to be ready.
This winter, we talked a lot about how we were mixing several products together as we're applying fertilizer and even when we're spraying our herbicides. My question for you is this: have you ever had to clean out a sprayer or a fertilizer tank because two or more products weren't compatible? I'll show you how to avoid that nasty job on today's Iron Talk. The best ways to avoid this fate are to, number one, ask questions of suppliers and manufacturers. If they know for sure something won't work, it can save you a lot of trouble. The second way to avoid trouble is by doing a simple jar test. Mix the various things you plan to tank mix in a clear jar in the order in which you'll add them to the tank. Shake the jar vigorously to see if any problem arises, and then add a second product and follow the same procedure. Watch for a few things. If the jar gets warm, there may have been a chemical reaction taking place in the jar that could adversely affect the products you're putting together. Also, watch for clumping or settling out of solid particles. And if no adverse reactions are noted, you should be in good shape to mix those products in your big tanks. For a chart including the order in which to mix various products and the amounts to add to the jar test, visit agphd.com and check under the Resources tab. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.